And
I've been looking for you everywhere.
okay.
Mama, it's getting late now. I have to go.
You can have it. Take it yourself.
So this is it?
This is it. Oh, you put it in what he has to eat.
Okay.
Morning and night. Every time he eats, morning and night, you add a little bit
Morning
of
and
chai.
night?
Yes. Make sure you add a pinch to anything he eats, morning and night. But ensure that the food is not oily.
Oily?
Yes. And also, do not eat with him.
Mama, why must I eat with him? Am I stupid?
So what did I say you should do?
I should add a pinch morning and night.
Good.
And I should ensure there is not much oil in the food.
Exactly. And make sure he eats by kneeling down and begging him to eat.
Why must I kneel to beg him to eat?
You don't know the trick. That way he will think that you have changed, but you and I know you have not. You know, it's like the lion. When the lion lies in ambush, waiting for his prey, he pretends to be gentle until he's cross. Get on the prey. Oh, we're going go.
So right now, I am the lion. And I'm waiting to... I understand you. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's okay.
I have to be on my way.
Never. Morning and night, don't forget. Kneel down, kneel down. Hey, killing him softly. Killing him softly. Without war.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.